ending to the search for a missing 6-week-old baby out of Texas.
It turns out the child was kidnapped by a woman who had a miscarriage and was trying to cover up her loss. This is all according to police here. The woman who was arrested today is also now charged with killing the mother of the child. Her body was discovered Tuesday, and until this morning, no one knew where this baby was. Then this morning, investigators say they spotted 2 suspicious people holding a newborn outside of an apartment complex. It turned out to be the child. She is okay.